All you need to make low-calorie peanut butter at home is a little peanut and a blender. Peanut butter is at the top of the list of eaten snacks and also one of the stars of the breakfast table. Well, you know how to make delicious and healthy peanut butter? Peanut butter is a highly nutritious food. However, since 1 tablespoon of peanut butter has a calorie value of 100, you should not overdo it while eating. Peanut butter is a product that can be preferred by people who are on a diet, and that athletes can easily consume. Of course, here we are talking about natural peanut butter without added sugar and butter without added fat. So in this article, we will share with you the recipe for low-calorie peanut butter at home and talk about how to do it. How to make peanut butter at home. Ingredients for a low-calorie, dietary peanut butter recipe. 300 grams of shelled and unsalted peanuts. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil if the creamy consistency cannot be achieved. 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, optional. 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. As you can see, all you need to make peanut butter at home is a bit if you have unpeeled peanuts. For making peanut butter, we recommend you to extract the shells, otherwise the taste of the pate will be bitter. 1. Bake your peanuts on oiled paper without peel. Set the oven to 180 degrees and fry for 8 to 10 minutes without burning your peanuts. 2. After roasting your peanuts, fill the food processor. Take your peanuts in the robot for a total of 10 minutes by taking a 2-minute break. When they come to a creamy structure, it is ready to crush peanuts. You can change the fluidity as you wish. The longer you continue the shredding process, the more fluid your peanuts will be to crush. You can use these materials for making sugar-free peanut butter. If you want a sweeter paste, we recommend you to choose honey instead of sugar. You can use this crush for your breakfasts as well as peanut butter cookies for your snacks. You can add half a measure of protein powder to make your crush even more athletic-friendly. Benefits of peanut butter. As you know, peanut has a high value in calories, but it is also rich in protein and healthy fat. For this reason, many athletes can see peanut butter in their meals. Peanut butter smoothie, oatmeal and granola peanut butter diet cookie are the top of these foods. 1 teaspoon of peanut butter contains about 3 grams of fat and 1.5 grams of protein. In addition, peanut butter, which has a digestive assist fiber content, is very important for the amount of healthy fat you need to take daily. Saturated fat, which is one of the healthy oils, is the macronutrient that peanut butter will provide you first. We would like to remind you that you support fat burning by eating fat. In order for your metabolism to function properly, it needs healthy fats. Many vitamins that protect your immune system are dissolved in fat. For this reason, peanut butter is a good source. The subject we will discuss later is the high protein content. With the amount of protein that will support your muscle development, it helps you to stay full for longer and ensures that the amino acids you need are absorbed into the body. The carbohydrate you will get from peanut butter meets your energy needs in a short time, and you can stay full for longer with fiber, just like in proteins. The main benefit of fiber nutrition for your body is that it plays a role in the digestive process and can help you lose weight with a healthy working digestive system. There are also healthy options for athletes who need much less calories but high protein peanut butter compared to daily needs, with increased protein content. In addition to all these nutritional values, peanut butter really has a taste that remains in the palate. For this reason, we can see many varieties in the markets. However, it should not be forgotten that additional sugar-free peanut butter and low-fat peanut butter option may not be available on the colorful shelves of the markets. Sometimes peanut butter can push the budget in terms of price. For this reason, making peanut butter at home can be an easier and healthier way. Perhaps the best peanut butter is configured at home. How about you?